everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you few Indo-Western outfit designs. These can be worn on daily basis as well as parties. So please continue watching the video till the end to get some idea about the latest trends coming in these days. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.